Hello, enthusiast. Welcome to Goodness Nature, where we uncover the healing power of nature. One remedy, one superfood, and one healthy habit at a time. Let's explore the goodness nature has to offer your mind, body, and soul. What if 5 minutes could reset your body for the whole day? You wake up feeling heavy, groggy, or bloated. Your mind is foggy. Your energy feels slow. Your body is quietly asking for a reset, but your schedule is already packed. The good news? You don't need an hour-long yoga class or an extreme juice cleanse to feel better. You just need 5 intentional minutes each morning to gently wake your body, clear your system, and nourish your energy. In this video, we'll guide you through a simple 5-minute natural morning detox routine that's gentle and safe for daily use. Rooted in traditional healing wisdom, effective in supporting your liver, lymph, gut, and mind. Let's begin your morning the goodness nature way, slow, mindful, and deeply healing. Minute 1. Wake with breath, the cleansing power of oxygen. Your first medicine of the day isn't coffee, it's breath. Upon waking, sit up in bed or stand by a window. Close your eyes and inhale deeply. Try this 2-minute breath detox. Inhale slowly for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 4 seconds. Exhale gently for 6 to 8 seconds. Repeat 4 to 6 cycles. This breathwork activates your parasympathetic nervous system, lowers morning cortisol, and signals your immune and digestive systems to wake up gently. Breath also helps your lymphatic system, which removes cellular waste, circulate without effort. Why it works. Breath moves energy, oxygenates tissues, and activates internal detox pathways before anything even enters your mouth. Minute 2. Warm water with lemon or herbs. Hydration, detox elimination. Now that your body is awake, it's time to gently flush out waste and support the organs that detoxify you all day. Your liver, kidneys, and digestive tract. Drink 1 glass of warm or room temperature water, not cold. Enhance it with juice of 1-2 a lemon or lime for liver and bile flow. A pinch of Himalayan salt for minerals and hydration. Optional. 1 tsp of raw apple cider vinegar or a slice of fresh ginger. This supports stomach acid production to prepare for digestion, liver activation, bowel regularity, gentle alkalizing effect. Hydrating first thing also wakes up the colon and improves morning elimination, one of the body's key detox channels. Optional. Add a few drops of chlorophyll or aloe vera for deeper cleansing support. Minute 3. Gentle movement or dry brushing. Lymph flow and skin detox. Your skin is your largest detox organ, and your lymphatic system relies on movement, not muscle, to circulate toxins out of the body. Use this minute to either perform gentle stretching or yoga poses, like cat-cow, downward dog, forward fold. Or practice dry brushing before your shower, using a natural bristle brush. Dry brushing technique. Brush toward the heart, starting at the feet. Use long, sweeping motions. Always move from extremities inward. Benefits. Exfoliates skin, boosts circulation, stimulates lymph drainage, awakens your entire body gently. Movement doesn't have to be sweaty to be powerful. It just has to be consistent and intentional. Minute 4. Herbal tonic or tea, plant-based liver and gut support. While your water is settling, prepare a simple herbal detox tonic or light tea, something that will continue supporting your digestive system as the morning unfolds. Here are 3 gentle options. Liver-loving morning tea. Dandelion root, ginger peppermint steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Drink warm. Light morning shot juice of 1-2 lemon, 1-2 tsp turmeric, 1 pinch of black pepper, 1 tsp honey. Warm water, gut reset infusion, fennel plus chamomile plus licorice root. Calms the digestive tract and reduces bloating. Sip slowly and stay present. This is your moment of calm before the world rushes in. Minute 5. Mind detox. Stillness, gratitude, or intention setting. Finally, detox your mind and energy field before your day begins. Sit comfortably and try one of the following. 1. Gratitude practice. List 3 things you're grateful for. In your mind or journal, feel each one fully. Allow warmth to rise. 2. Intention setting. Ask, what kind of energy do I want to bring into today? Say it out loud or write it down. Example, I move through the day with clarity and calm. I nourish my body with love and trust. 3. Silence or stillness. Sit quietly with your tea or tonic. Just be. Let your nervous system settle. Breathe and receive. Your mind creates chemical messengers. Thoughts truly shape your biology. Begin with peace. Bonus. Combine all 5 minutes into one seamless flow. Here's how your 5-minute detox routine might look when flowing together. Wake and sit by a window. Begin deep breathing. Stretch gently or dry brush while your water heats. Drink warm, lemon water slowly. Prepare herbal tea while continuing breath awareness. Sit with your tea and set a morning intention. In just 5 minutes, you've stimulated your lymph and liver, activated digestion and elimination, cleared mental fog, nourished your mind with presence, and you did it all without rushing or overwhelm. Why daily detox doesn't have to be extreme. The wellness world loves extremes: 7-day cleanses, juice-only fasts, or intense detox kits. But your body is detoxing all day, every day, through your breath, skin, liver, kidneys, colon, and lymphatic system. Instead of forcing it, try supporting it, gently and consistently. This 5-minute ritual may seem small, but it's repeatable. Daily habits are more impactful than seasonal cleanses. Adaptable, can be done at home while traveling or before work. Empowering, helps you reconnect with your body before outside noise takes over. Healing isn't a one-time event. It's a rhythm you return to every morning. Who should be mindful? This detox ritual is gentle, but if you are pregnant or nursing, are on medications that affect liver or kidney function, who should be mindful? This detox ritual is gentle, but if you are pregnant or nursing, are on medications that affect liver or kidney function, have digestive conditions like ulcers or gastritis, consult your healthcare provider before adding new herbs, lemon, or ACV to your routine. Listen to your body. Modify as needed. Final reflection. You deserve a peaceful start. Your mornings are sacred. They set the tone for everything that follows. Instead of rushing into stimulation, screens, or stress, try this simple, natural reset. With just 5 minutes, you've told your body, I care for you. I trust you. I'm here with you. You don't need a detox tea subscription or an expensive cleanse. You just need presence, intention, breath, and nature. One morning at a time. Thank you for joining us on this journey toward natural wellness. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let's spread the goodness of nature together. Until next time, stay healthy and stay natural.